Hello traders, the title of the video is the Elliott wave theory accurate? That is the question. Is the Elliott wave theory accurate? What I will say to traders when traders are asking that question, all right, I want to know their intention, all right? Are you asking that question because you want to use the Elliott wave theory like a magic wand so that whenever you are using the Elliott wave theory, you don't have to do any homework, or you just buy and sell using the Elliott wave theory like an exact science? If that's you, then I will say to you, no, all right? But if you are somebody else that understands that the Elliott wave theory is a guide that helps technical traders to time the market more accurately, that's the correct way, more accurately, I will say to you, yes. Yes, the Elliott wave theory will help technical traders to time the financial market more accurately. All right, so if they were timing the market accurately only 50% before, or if another trader was timing the financial market as a day trader, swing trader, position trader, timing the market accurately only 60% of the time before, that person can improve his market timing, okay, significantly if he start using, or if he start mastering, or if he start, okay, using the Elliott wave, okay, a principle like an intelligent Elliott wave trader. That's correct, all right? So somebody else that is timing the market 80% of the time may increase it even to 90% of the time. So the question normally, I think this question is the Elliott wave theory accurately? Is Elliott wave theory accurate? In fact, the question should be rephrased in a way and say, does the Elliott wave theory help technical traders to time the market more accurately? Yes, 100% yes. But it is not an exact science, all right? But generally, a lot of traders, I've been there myself, all right? So traders start using stochastic MACD, counter the financial market, and one day they watch a video about the Elliott wave theory, or they read about it, all right? Or they know somebody who's using the Elliott wave theory, having more success than them, and they say, hey, you have to use the Elliott wave theory. I use Elliott wave theory. That's the magic one. So they start using the Elliott wave theory, all right? So those are traders, all right? They are looking to improve, okay, their market timing. They want to use the Elliott wave like an exact science. So they start using the Elliott wave theory not as a guide, but as an exact science. So in that case, we will say to those traders, be careful. The Elliott wave theory is not about accurate, consistent trading all the time. It allows traders to increase their efficiency, their market timing, to improve their market timing in the financial market. All right. So you see here, I'm looking at Google stock. So I counted my way correctly. So first wave, all right. And then we have, okay, WSY wave forming the second wave. All right. And then we have the third wave that is subdivided into 1, 2, all right, 3, 4, 5. End of the third wave. We are expecting a fourth wave. So when we were here, we were telling traders that, Google stock will pull back a bit. In fact, I posted a video about Elliott wave trader jump or whatever, celebrate his accurate Elliott wave forecast. So in this case, when I look back, I will say my Elliott wave count is accurate. Now I can say that, okay? But at the time when I'm counting away, I know that the price can print something completely different. But when can we say that our Elliott wave count, our Elliott wave forecast is accurate? Is after the confirmation. We have an expectation, and our expectation is fulfilled. Therefore, we have the right to say that the Elliott wave theory is accurate. Sometimes you'll be amazed. The Elliott wave theory will be almost 100% accurate. So you will forecast it, okay? So which means sometimes they will forecast, okay, the whole multi-wave as soon as the first and the second wave is completed using what we call the fractal pattern, the structure of the first wave and the second wave. They forecast what is going to happen during the trending phase and what is going to happen during the corrective phase. And some stock will obey you and will complete every expectation. So in that case, you can go around shouting about it on Twitter and say, my Elliott wave count is accurate, it's accurate, it's accurate, it's accurate. Another time can be, I think there was one stock, a Microsoft stock. Here it is, I'll show you another example. Here we are, on a monthly chart. So recently, a move, okay, you see this, what we were calling fifth wave, I think it was somewhere here. So do we have an extension? You see? Should we say here it was accurate? We can say that it was partially accurate because we know that the fifth wave can be extended. So we adjust our wave count accordingly. But the fifth wave I'm talking about here is the fifth minor wave of the third wave. So we were talking about the third wave ending somewhere in this region. Okay, I don't know where I put it before, but then here it is. Is it accurate? It's partially accurate. So new traders, that's the first question that they ask, which is normal. Probably there are other traders out there asking the same question. Why should I bother to go to www.248yourwave, all right, and learn about Elliott wave? Why should I put up with George funny accent watching all his video about Elliott wave? The Elliott wave theory can help technical trader, all right, to improve his market timing. So what I say to traders is that a lot of ordinary traders, okay, are looking at the chart. So we are looking at the chart, yes or no, all right? So why do we look at the chart? To understand whether we should buy or sell. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to interpret the price structure, yes or no. But ordinary traders who are not using Elliott wave theory do not understand anything about what the price says. All right? And they don't have any expectation. They don't know where the price is likely to go. So you are in the financial market, you want to buy and sell, and you don't have any idea at all, okay, what is likely to happen. Now, you shouldn't be in the financial market at all. That's a hard thing to say to some traders, honestly. All right, that's a very, very hard thing to say to. But it's true. But we all done it where you are in the market until you learn about Elliott wave, you're doing your own thing. Like I was showing this to traders, I said, look, we see here, this is Activision stock, okay, here again, look at that. First wave, second wave, yes or no? Third wave, fourth wave, all right? We talked about this fourth wave this setup last time, between the 261.8 and 161.8, blah, blah, blah. Remember that, I posted it at the Day Pro Traders, Fibonacci extension, blah, 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 okay? That video got only 40 views. Oh, my God, what's that? So, the fourth wave. Now the fifth wave is extended, look at that. Not only the fifth wave is extended, all right? Now the structure of the fifth minor wave or the fifth wave is an ending diagonal. Now, before this sharp move down, Elliott wave traders accurately was expecting that. Now we can say they were accurate because they were expecting it. It's not a surprise for them that this move is a sharp move down. This is what usually happens when the fifth minor wave or the fifth wave is an ending diagonal. So I leave it to you. Is the Elliott wave theory accurate? It's a theory. So in order to make it accurate, you should start making, all right? You should start making accurate trading decisions. That's it. So it's a theory, all right? Theory. The theory is not going to trade for you. But you can learn the theory and you yourself use it to improve your market timing, making accurate trading decisions. So an excellent trader that masters the Elliott wave theory, that is using it accurately, has the right to say that the Elliott wave theory is accurate. But until you have mastered the theory and start using it more accurately, you will be saying all over the place that it's not accurate, that thing is a mambo jumbo, I won't waste my time on that. Look at that. All right. Okay? So this is a short tutorial about is the Elliott wave theory accurate? Right? In a normal condition, it's accurate when the price is confirming the wave forecast. So this will conclude our discussion today about is the Elliott wave theory accurate. If you want to learn more about the Elliott wave theory, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Digit 2, digit 4, Elliott waves in plural.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is 24 Elliott wave. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. All right? If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us a beautiful thumbs up. If you say to me, John, you will try to impress me with Elliott wave accurate. You never done any Elliott wave forecast that was accurate for me. I've been losing money. I'm not impressed. Mark it down, all right? However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is stochastic-MACD. My YouTube channel, 24 Elliott Wave. Subscribe and be sure to click on the notification bell. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the STW24 traders talking about is the Elliott wave theory accurate? What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think it's perfectly accurate? Do you think that one does not need to master it, that one can just use it anywhere, anyhow? Let us know in the comment section. Happy to meet you all, and I will speak to you soon. Or do you want us to talk about something else? Do you have another question? Put in the comment section. Thank you for watching.